My name is Professor Bell Ihua, MNI, and I'm the Executive Director of Africa Polling Institute. What is working is the fact that citizens have a certain level of trust for the traditional institution and the religious institution. The question therefore is, how do we amplify what is already working? How do we ensure that it continues to work? So it's hand in gloves. It's not government should be working alone. It's what can citizens also do.
The Africa Polling Institute, API, who has continued to champion data-driven research for public policy.
On behalf of the board, management and staff of Africa Polling Institute, I'm distinctly delighted and honored to welcome you to the 2026 National Social Cohesion Dialogue. I am pleased that this dialogue offers us the opportunity not only to reflect on the state of social cohesion in our country, but also to assemble some key national leaders, clerics, custodians of culture, policymakers, advocates, to kick off this round of conversation.
On behalf of His Highness, I wish to express profound appreciation to African Polling Institute for organizing this timely and significant dialogue, as well as for its sustained commitment to generating credible research and evidence-based insight on issues affecting national development, governance, and social harmony in Nigeria.
And so traditional rulers, religious leaders, development partners, civil society, everyone else in the room, we believe possess the unique capacity to guide communities beyond ethnic and religious divisions.
We recall that we are battling with the situation of insecurity in our nation. And one of the lessons that issues forth from that security challenges we are having is the need for all hands to be on deck. We are living in an age of collaboration, which informs the involvement of foreign bodies in assisting nations to tackle their problems.
Before Nigeria came to be, we had communities, towns that were ruled, governed by the traditional rulers. But when our people, the new elites came, this influence of the KBC, the traditional rulers, were substantially eroded.
It is an irony that modern Nigerians act in ways that are inconsistent with the spirit of this land, because Jaja began his life as an Igbo man and ended it as a Niger Deltan.
We've gone far in terms of a nation, and somebody said to me once, Archbishop Emaisom, there are so many churches and mosques, why are people still doing evil?
So that circle of vengeance was a sustaining factor for the perceived unforgiving phenomenon we find ourselves in Kaduna State, especially with the issue of the Southern Kaduna.
You cannot build a society by destroying the culture of the people. You must uphold that culture.
Whoever eats the leper's reward shall trim his head when he needs a cut. So some religious leaders have eaten the leper's reward, and they cannot say anything or trim the heads of the leper because the leper needs a haircut.
I wish to sincerely thank our donor, the Ford Foundation, for making it possible for us to undertake this survey and organize this dialogue.
My name is Dr. Soji Adeni. I'm the Vice Chair of the Board for the African Polling Institute. So the event today is the unveiling of the 2026 edition of the National Cohesion Survey. The African Polling Institute has been conducting polling and opinions around the country, trying to get data and evidence to form policy decisions. What do they feel about being a Nigerian? And all these issues actually adds up in the context of social cohesion, because social cohesion is the ability to live together in peace as a country, and we believe that that's what Nigeria needs.